Yeah, I hope these watermelons do make it, because I just can't believe that they are doing as well as they are.
Yeah,
And
look.
we really hadn't done a whole lot.
Going around through you.
The vine running all the way over
All
there.
the way to the back of that.
Wow.
But see, don't flip them over.
I ain't touching it. I'm just
Let it have it now.
the
Flip it
fat.
over.
Yeah.
Let it lay on the belly.
And you said the vine is running all the way over there around the house.
Come and look.
Huh?